All this girl really wants is a powerful, compact flagship. Right alongside the Vivo X300 Ultra, the Vivo X300 FE launched, and as usual, I have very high hopes for this phone. Good day, you beautiful people. Today's video is a look at a phone that I'm very excited about. The Vivo FE line is positioning itself to be some powerful compact flagships, and so I'm excited to check out the Vivo X300 FE. Before anything else though, let's unbox. Getting a whole new look for the Vivo X300 FE this year. That camera module is a sleek horizontal bar, and according to Vivo, this is better placement for their cameras from accidental touches. But some argue that this design is looking a little bit familiar. Nevertheless, it's a sleek looking and feeling phone, and it comes in this beautiful purple that I'm absolutely a fan of, but then there are white, black, and green versions as well. Aside from the unique new look on the X300 FE compared to the X200 FE, we're getting an upgraded processor. Though in terms of phone size, battery, charging performance, and even camera hardware, we retain from the X200 FE. Though I will point out that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 on here should mean better camera performance. Now, let's take a closer look at this phone. I gotta admit, the X300 FE really does remind me of the iPhone Air, but that's really only because of the camera bump placement. The X300 FE definitely feels different in hand. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. This phone is definitely a little chunkier than the iPhone Air, which is a very thin phone, but it feels good in hand, and that matte back, it really looks pretty in that purple. Now, up front, that is a flat screen, and on the side, you get a volume rocker and then lock button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, SIM tray. Now, what's quite impressive to me is how this thing, more compact than other flagships, this still packs a 6,500 milliamp hour battery. These days, more compact phones don't necessarily mean a smaller battery capacity anymore. On that camera bump, you of course have 3 cameras. You have Zeiss branding and your flash over there. This thing is also IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. It also has a 5-star drop resistance rating, which means it should be better able to withstand drops. Perfect for the clumsy girl like me. Now, in terms of camera, on the back, this phone reps a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel main, and an 8 megapixel wide. Up front, that's a 50 megapixel wide angle selfie camera. So you're getting a good telephoto camera on this, and there is actually a dedicated stage mode on this phone for concert photography and stuff like that. Flash photography is also supposedly really good on this phone, and it's supposed to adjust depending on what focal length you use to shoot. And just like on the X300 Ultra, you get a street photography mode on this phone. Now, these cameras on the back, they can shoot 8K 30 FPS, and up front you can shoot 4K video. We've tested out these cameras a little bit, and we did notice that zooming in and out on video on these are also very, very smooth. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to the sample shots. That was our first look at the Vivo X300 FE. FE. I'm so curious to test out these cameras more and see how they perform. For this year's FE, the headline would be this whole new look and that Snapdragon processor update. Of course, it's just my first look, but it's looking like a well-rounded compact device. Let me know what else you'd want to see me test out with this phone. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.